Hello entrepreneurs, are you still thinking about earning online? Don't worry, a new video on how to earn online with a brand new online earning method is under construction and is coming soon. Before that, in my last video, I have told you about an online earning method in which you can earn by simply reading emails. But for withdrawing money from that website, the name of that website is clicksgenie.com, and for withdrawing money from that website, you need to have a Payeer account. And many of my viewers are still confused about this, and so I decided to make a video on how to create a Payeer account and how you can link it with clicksgenie.com. So without any delay, let's get started. So basically, Payeer is a digital wallet as well as a cryptocurrency trading platform. You can receive payments from all over the world directly to your Payeer wallet. So it's good to have a Payeer wallet, right? So let's see how we can create a Payeer account. For creating a Payeer account in an Android device, first of all you have to visit Google Play Store. And once you visit Google Play Store, you have to enter the name of application. That is, you have to enter Payeer on the top search bar, and after that you have to hit search button. And once you hit search button, you can find the Payeer application on Google Play Store. And once you find that application, you have to hit the install button on the right corner. Once you hit that install button, installation will be started, and once it is completed, you have to open the application. And once you open the Payeer application, it will look something similar. You have to hit on this sign up button, and once you hit on this sign up button, it will take you to another page with a user agreement. You have to read that user agreement carefully and hit on agree button. And once you hit on that agree button, it will take you to another page where you can see some random alphabet as well as number as your password. So you have to change that. For that, you have to click on change password button. And once you click on that change password button, it will take you to another page where you can reset your password. In this page, on the first column you have to enter or create a strong password. In the second column you have to re-enter the same password for confirmation. After that, you have to create a security code of your own. It can be either numbers or letters. Once you created your password and security code, you can hit that confirm button, that green button down there. Once you hit that confirm button, it will take you to another page where it will ask you to set a 4-digit PIN number. You can give a PIN number that you can remember. And after entering a 4-digit PIN there, you can hit confirm button. And once you hit confirm button, it will take you to another page, which is obviously the dashboard of payeer.com. And that's it. Now you have a Payeer wallet. You have a Payeer account. Now we have to link this Payeer account or Payeer wallet with our clicksgenie.com so that we can directly withdraw our payments to our Payeer wallet. So for adding Payeer account with clicksgenie.com, you have to copy the Payeer account number from the Payeer dashboard of Payeer application. Once you've done that, once you copy that account number, visit clicksgenie.com and enter the withdrawal section. There you can see an option called add new, and you have to click on that option. Once you click on that option, another window will be opened, and here you can paste the previously copied Payeer account number. And once you paste that, hit save button. And that's it. Now your Payeer account is linked with your clicksgenie.com account, and you can receive payments right away. So if you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.